Hi, welcome back to your own channel, Work You Want. So today we would be talking about a corporate world job as a S22, and as per the schedule you can see is about the corporate job. So the job opportunity which I'm sharing with you today is from Google. A lot of you have a dream to go to the Google and work there. And yeah, obviously they have a great office, they have a great work life, and there is a lot more pride in working in a Google, especially amongst the youngsters and even in future. So when you click on this link, you will reach here. So the role here, as you can see, is Technical Solution Consultant, University Graduate 2025. So basically, this is for the freshers. That's the best part. So here is the minimum qualification bachelor degree. And you should be specialized in SQL, technical design, troubleshooting, stakeholder management, data analyst, Python, and data visualization. Basically, जिसको भी knowledge है data analysis की, जिसको भी थोड़ा analytics में interest है and have been working in that field, can apply in this. Secondly, this is a fresh opportunity coming. 3 दिन पहले ही LinkedIn पे इसकी post भी आई थी. And when you choose location, be careful. You can choose anyone, but as per the thing, I will suggest you to fill Gurgaon office. The reason is that they have particularly have some vacancies. So yeah, बाकी आपकी मर्जी, आप कहीं भी apply कर सकते हो. But yeah, I will suggest कि if you are in Delhi or somewhere, if you can come to Gurgaon, so fill Gurgaon because there are more chances because there are vacancies. Then preferred qualification, obviously minimum qualification is just minimum. But since Google is a very competitive firm, a lot of you would be applying, so there would be a lot more than just the minimum requirement. So if you know the Tableau, obviously जिसने consultancy में काम करे, then you know Tableau, Power BI are very powerful software. Use them. So Tableau is must. Local studio. Then talking about the experience in client facing data analyst role. अगर आपका experience है, then this is also a good opportunity coming in for you. इधर आप stand out कर सकते हो people who are freshers, and if you have worked somewhere but you want to switch at a better place, this is very good opportunity. And obviously आपको पता है Google package is very good even at the lower positions. So this is one thing. Then experience in database management, obviously DBMS, SQL, ये सब आपको आना चाहिए. JavaScript, TypeScript, HTML आपको आनी चाहिए. SQL, as I already told, these are the language, and Python for sure. आपकी अच्छी grasp होनी चाहिए because usually Google का राउंड यूं नहीं होता कि आपने अप्लाई किया. फर्स्टली बेस्ड ऑन एक्सपीरियंस, बेस्ड ऑन CGPA एंड एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा तुम्हारा शॉर्टलिस्ट होगा. उसके बाद तुम्हारा कोडिंग राउंड होगा एंड देन यू विल गेट इंटरव्यू. इट्स अ वेरी रिगरस प्रोसेस. सो ये मतलब कि रैंडमली अप्लाई करो. इफ यू हैव स्किल देन ओनली अप्लाई, अदरवाइज वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम, राइट? उसके बाद responsibilities you can read what you will have to do, but I think it's not needed right, for now. It's like you understand the job, like you understand, like you, if you have the skill, you can survive in that environment. So this is still, if you want, you can read the what you will do and etc etc. You can apply from here. You will have to log in into the portal, and you can give your resume, your motivation letter. Also, a tip from my side would be, if you can find a referral, LinkedIn use करो, text some of the Google employees who are working there, कि sir or ma'am, I have been working in this field and this is really relevant to me. अगर उनने रेफर कर दिया तो तुम्हारा आधा competition would be cut directly because you would be given a power because of the referral. So this is my recommendation. I hope you like the video and I hope you all apply and this is relevant to you. And yeah, that's for the day. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and let's meet you tomorrow.